Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, May 30th, 2026 at 10:02, and today we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. So in today's outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, central Kansas, western Nebraska, extreme northeastern Colorado, parts of eastern Wyoming, and western South Dakota. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of central to southeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, northeastern northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, extreme southwestern Iowa, western Missouri, parts of northwestern Arkansas, going through central Oklahoma and into central Texas. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. Today we have a 5% hatch tornado risk that encompasses parts of southwestern Nebraska and northern Kansas. We have a 2% 2% hatched tornado risk that encompasses central to southern Kansas. And we have a 2% normal that encompasses northern Oklahoma through central Kansas, through western Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, extreme eastern Wyoming, and southwestern and southern South Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk. So we have Wichita, Salina, Hutchinson, Kearney, and North Platte under the significant severe, North Platte, Hays, and Lexington under the 5%, and Wichita, Rapid City, Enid, Salina, and Hutchinson under the 2%. So for the 5% hatched area, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today. For the 2% hatched area, we could see an EF1 tornado also possible today. And 2% normal, we could see an EF0 tornado possible today. So please be mindful for that today. Going into the wind risk for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, central Kansas, and southwestern Nebraska, and extreme northeastern Colorado. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of central to northwestern Nebraska and western South Dakota, as well as extreme eastern Wyoming. We have a 5% hatched that encompasses parts of northeastern Texas, central Oklahoma, western Kansas, parts of northeastern Colorado, and extreme southwestern Nebraska. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses central to southeastern Montana, southwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, eastern Kansas, western Missouri, extreme southwestern Iowa, parts of central Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, going back into central Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Wichita, Enid, Salina, Hutchinson, and Kearney under the significant severe. Wichita, Rapid City, Enid, Salina, and Hutchinson under the 15%. And Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Lincoln, and Little Rock under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 60 to isolated 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% hatched, we could see isolated 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. And 5% normal, we also could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses extreme northern Oklahoma, central Kansas, and southwestern Nebraska, and extreme northeastern Colorado. We have a 15% normal that encompasses northern Oklahoma into southern Kansas, back into northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and eastern Wyoming. And we do have a 5% hatched that encompasses western Kansas and extreme northeastern Colorado. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses central to southeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, eastern Kansas, central Oklahoma, back into central Texas, northwestern Arkansas, western Missouri, and southwestern Iowa. So we do, and eastern Nebraska as well. So we do have those areas under a 5% as well. We have Wichita, Salina, Hutchinson, Kearney, and Dodge City under the significant severe. Wichita, Rapid City, Enid, Salina, and Hutchinson under the 15%. And Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa, Lincoln, and Little Rock under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see up to 3.5-inch diameter hail possible today. There's the reset. For the 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3-inch diameter hail possible today. 5% hatched, we could see 1 to 2.5-inch diameter hail possible today. And 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered severe thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening over the central Great Plains. The stronger thunderstorms will potentially be capable of large to very large hail, severe gusts, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. Here's today's tornado risk. And here's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even though you may be in a marginal risk today, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. But of course, stay safe in the slight. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day, and depending how busy I am, I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.